Well, guys, and perhaps they're getting hot in here. And then my hands is so sticky. Look, my hands is so sticky on the menu. My hands is so sweaty. Yes, Steve. Now, Steve, can you turn on the AC? But my hair is totally frozen. Your hair is totally frozen? Okay. Let me have to turn on the AC. Oh no. Uh-oh. Guys, what is it, Steve? The AC is not working. It's definitely broken. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Yeah, me too. Because it's getting hot. I also sweat. Let me have to show Grandma. He know what to do. Oh, hi Steve. Hi Curly. You looking so hot. Hey Grandma. Steve, you don't looking so good. You looking have a fever. You looking so sweaty. Grandma, yes? It's getting hotter in here because it started cold. You like to turn on the AC? The AC is not working. Go to the AC? Then, Mike, I don't need the shoes. What happened to the shoes? Where's my shoes? It melted. My shoes is melted. Oh, what happened, Curly? So, Grandma, everybody else is getting hotter in here because I went to get some water. Yes, maybe and make it cool with the snow. Then where're the people? The people are very hot in here. I wish to enjoy myself. Enjoy the hotter because it's too hot in here. Oh, I see. So where do you live? We live in a beach. We're at the beach. Wow! You see, Mike? You see, Curly and Steve? We're going to the beach today. Beach today? Hooray! Today we're going to the beach today. We're going to the beach today. We're going to the beach today? Yes, we're going to the beach. Hooray! Hello there, people. How are you doing? I'm great. So, Grandma, why have you been? I have you been this morning. Steve had to get the cheese back. Well, okay, I will love at the beach. So, who the heck is that? I don't know where that is, Steve. So, how are we going to do? I can't wait. I'm so excited to go to the beach. I told you. Huh? What's the noise? I don't know. Oh! I love the beach. Me too. Oh goodness, it's Little Boy and Grapes. Little Boy and Grapes, what are you doing in here? I was trying to get some of my mind this morning. Because I will have to enjoy the beach. Oh my goodness, you're here. Your best friend. We gotta be careful or else the big wave is coming for us. Oh no! But that's okay. Too bad. Ha ha. Okay, bye. Bye, little boy. Bye, Grapes. Grandma, what a weird place. Then let's go get an board. What a beautiful boat day. Because there is a boat. Hey, where's Curly? Oh my goodness, it's Curly. Living underwater? Yeah, I love to. Mike, read the note. I'm on it, Grandma. Uh, I'm not sure, Mike. We can read it and next time. Great idea, Curly. Can I hop on? I love it. Hop on, Curly. All aboard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful. You must get explode. Be careful. You have to get explode. Come on. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. You monster. Watch where you're going, Curly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 Curly, look out. Curly, look out. Woohoo! How's it look, boy? What do you say, little boy? Look out! Whoa! I'm going down. Oh, oh, oh. Guys, are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Huh? Where's the beach go? Then where is it? Oh, it's called a black sky. Wow. It's raining? Because it's raining? Huh? Uh-oh, what the heck is that? It's the water spout. What the? The water spout? The water make the blood? With blood? Hey, what's this? What is jelly donut falling into the sky? Is just ketchup donut falling for the sky? What just happening? But there's only one thing we can handle this. When the last time we had to go to the thunderstorm with the policeman triangle, but especially Tara Strong basement. Oh no! And the devil gallery. Oh no! That was horrible. Wow, that was look creepy, Grandma. Exactly. You know what incident had to be in exactly what to do today. Oh, please, just over here with this ocean. But the sound is coming up. Hey, the light is back on. Look, there he is now. Hello, what a new neighbor. I am, I am John, but this is Darwin. What's that? I was just so coughing, I was scratching my throat. My name is, John. My name is John. John, eh? Who are you? Okay. Never mind. So, John. So, Darwin. How are we going to do today? I was just in the very end coughing because I was in the very end coughing. My mom and dad and I had to go to the beach this morning, but that's okay. We need another one. Haha. So, A. So, Steve, well, I was to invited all the...
Oh, Darwin, you okay? Oh no, you can't cough like that, Darwin. What are you doing?
So, Steve, how are we going to get it coughing?
I was just doing my coughing because
Because what?
because I wasn't coughing because so Darwin, how are you doing it all this weapon?
Weapon A. Let me have to do an outing. My name is Steve, we're out to invited.
Sir, Steve. Yes, sir, but always I had to do nothing. Let's go get this party started. Yeah, me, me too, me too, me too.
Once upon a time, it was at Steve's beach. One day Steve and Curly Mike and Grandma and I swimming to the pool for some reason.
Do you see Curly? And I had to be in going to the pool. Hooray!
One day, Steve has to eat his ice cream all by myself. Was eating. And the next day, Mike is very angry with the splashing water in my face.
I didn't splash his water in my face. Sure you do, Mike. You didn't have to splash your water with your face. No! You can't have to splash with water.
So, it's the narrator said, it looked like, he said, nothing to be afraid of for the rest of the day of the year. But so long, bye-bye.
Hey guys, wait. Are you leaving, are you?
Yeah, we're leaving anyways, so have fun. Enjoy the summer of the beach.